Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Simple Maths with Meenu. As in previous lecture, we have discussed all the results of the derivative. Now, we will discuss the problem. Just think about for a while. Now, before solving the problem, just think for a while which result we should apply on the problem so that it becomes simpler. Now we are given fx is equal to 2 over x minus 1 minus x square over 3x minus 1. So here we can use quotient rule also or product rule also. Now first we are using the quotient rule. Now derivative of fx, that means derivative of 2 over x minus 1 minus x square over 3x minus 1. Separate the terms. So we get derivative of 2 over x minus 1 minus derivative of x square over 3x minus 1. Now derivative of f dash x, that is equal to x plus 1 derivative of 2 minus 2 derivative of x plus 1 over x plus 1 square minus derivative of second terms, that is equal to 3x minus 1 derivative of x square minus x square derivative of 3x minus 1 over 3x minus 1 square. As we know, derivative of constant, that goes to 0 and derivative of x, that goes to 1. So we get f dash x, that is equal to x plus 1 into 0 minus 2 into 1 plus 0 over x plus 1 square. Second term minus 3x minus 1 and derivative of x square, that is 2x minus x square derivative of 3x, that is 3, and 1, that goes to 0 over 3x minus 1 square. Now solve it. So we get minus 2 over x plus 1 square minus 3x square minus 2x over 3x minus 1 square. Now taking LCM, x plus 1 square, 3x minus 1 square, and solve the terms. So we get f dash x, that is equal to minus 2 9x square minus 6x plus 1 minus into 3x square minus 2x into in bracket x square plus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1 square into 3x minus 1 square. Now solving these terms. So after solving these terms, we get in bracket minus 18x square plus 12x minus 2 minus in bracket 3x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube plus 3x square minus 2x cube minus 4x square minus 2x over x plus 1 square into 3x minus 1 square. Now opening the bracket and solve it. So we get that is equal to in bracket minus 18x square plus 12x minus 2 minus in bracket 3x raised to power 4 plus 4x cube minus x square minus 2x over x plus 1 square into 3x minus 1 square. After opening the bracket and cancelling the terms, so we get final result f dash x, that is equal to minus 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x raised to power 3 minus 17x square plus 14x minus 2 over x plus 1 square into 3x minus 1 square. Now, same example that can be solved always by the product rule. It depends on you how the idea strike in your mind. So by product rule, f dash x, that is equal to derivative of 2 over x minus 1 minus derivative of x square over 3x minus 1. Taking the terms in denominator to the numerator, so that can be written as derivative, that is 2 into x minus 1 raised to power minus 1 minus derivative of x square into 3x minus 1 raised to power minus 1. So, taking out 2 common, so that is equal to 2 derivative x minus 1 raised to power minus 1, and here we use product rule, that is x square derivative of 3x minus 1 raised to power minus 1 minus 3x minus 1 raised to minus 1 derivative of x square. Now here we will use derivative of x raised to power n, that is equal to n x raised to power n minus 1. And here we will use chain rule. So we get that is f dash x that is equal to 2 minus 1 x minus 1 raised to power minus 2, and derivative of x minus 1 that goes to 1 minus x square minus 1 3x minus 1 raised to power minus 2, further derivative of 3x minus 1 plus 3x minus 1 raised to power minus 1, and derivative of x square that is equal to 2x. Now solve it. We get minus 2 over x plus 1 square minus x square into 3 minus 0 over 3x minus 1 square plus 2x over 3x minus 1. Now taking out LCM and solve it, we get minus 2 over x plus 1 square minus in bracket minus 3x square plus 2x in bracket 3x minus 1 over 3x minus 1 square. Now after solving this, so we get minus 2 over x plus 1 square minus 3x square minus 2x over 3x minus 1 square. Now taking LCM, x plus 1 square 3x minus 1 square as in the previous solution. So we get f dash x that is equal to minus 2 3x minus 1 square minus 3x square minus 2x into x plus 1 square over x plus 1 square 3x minus 1 square, and this result is same as we have solved in the previous solution. So finally after solving this, we get f dash x that is equal to minus 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x cube minus 17x square plus 14x minus 2 over x plus 1 square 3x minus 1 square. So we get the same answer. So thank you. If explanation helpful to you, please like and share my video. See you in the next video.